Victor. It's about 8:30 o'clock in the evening, and it's been snowing since 5:30, so that's, I guess, 3 hours. Really not that much snow has come down. It's pretty much just started, so it's gonna end all night, like around 8 o'clock in the morning. But this is just the beginning, and it's just gonna snow like mad tonight, so might have inch-per-hour snowfall, and expect high winds and very, very, very cold temperatures. Right now, there's heavier precipitation moving right to where I am in Louisville, New Jersey, and there we will see snow much heavier than this. Right now, this is just light snow. Heavy snow.
No. That's a boy.
I guess they salted this road a little bit more. There's High Street. Oh, snowed. Look at those two cars at Wawa, that's hilarious. What's up, guys? This is me again. This is 2 days later after Wednesday. Winter storm Hercules is over. It's been over for the last 24 hours now. We have 6 inches of snow here, and the sun is brightly shining. Woke up this morning at 7:30. Come to look at my mercury reading 6 below here in southern New Jersey. 08360. Here we go is weatherman John Biggs. Go follow him, like him on Facebook at the Bristol Beat and the Bristol Weather Association. So we will see what tomorrow brings. Today's supposed to be about high 35. Yesterday was high of about 18 and mostly sunny. And today will be mostly sunny. Sunday will bring temps in the low 40s and dive back down to 5 degrees on Monday with snow. And that's about it. The roads here are really bad, but everywhere else, other than Millville and Milan, we have clear roads all the way. So people need to learn how to plow like this. This is bad. So, don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my guys. This is me, Victor Kid, again. I am at my church parking lot right now. It is Saturday, January the 3rd or the 4th, and it looks like this is what ice is here, and that's what the road looks like. It's all ice, and that's what the main roads are here in Millville, all ice. I just got off of Interstate or Highway 55, and it was clear like this right here. No ice, nothing. But this is what most of the roads look like. Like this. All ice. Yeah, this looks really frozen. See here. A tiny chunk of ice. Throw it in the air. It just explodes like it's nothing. That one I missed. Let's see here. This is nothing but ice right here. Solid ice. Just right there. That's why I'm concerned. Like if I step in here, it might be like, oh, that's deep. And I'm in my sneakers. Ah. This is so much fun. Just kidding. That's gorgeous. I'm willing to bet that that whole thing is solid. Driving down the roads, this is all ice. Millville decided not to ice their roads, like put the stuff on the roads or anything. So they just plowed them when there was just snow on the ground there. And there's a lot of secondary streets that look like the driveway up here for the hotel here. A lot of streets look like that parking lot over there. It's pretty sad here, but it'll all go away maybe tomorrow or something. So.